Hey everybody, my name is Ricky Crowder. I'm with Elite Core here at InfoComm 2025. I'm really excited to introduce a brand new program that we actually just launched this year, just a few months ago, called Elite Care. If you haven't heard of Elite Care is a really cool program where essentially it's a really simple philosophy. You send us your broken cables, your dirty cables, your messed up cables. You know that pile of cable you got in your warehouse or in the back closet that you keep tripping over, and one day you're gonna fix that stuff. You're not, but we can help with that. With Elite Care, you can send that stuff to us. We turn your mess with our magic. We make you back, bring you back beautiful cable, relabeled like we do all of our, hand-built cables that we build day in and day out. Our new cables, we can relabel it, test it, repair it, clean it, get all that dirt from, all the festivals you've been on, get all that dirt off the cable, and then get it reorganized for you. When it comes back to your shop, it almost looks like brand new cable. If you've not heard of Elite Care, reach out. We'd love to talk about it. There's a lot of information to go over. But yeah, we're the first company that I'm aware of in the industry that offers this kind of service. So if this is something that you would find helpful or beneficial, please reach out. We'd love to chat. Again, my name is Ricky. I'm with Elite Core. Our website is elitecoreaudio.com. Thanks.